Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick tutorial of Alia Bhatt inspired makeup from Akash Ambani's engagement. Before we start today's video, please go to my channel DIY already and then click on subscribe button for subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon for updates because I'm coming with new videos every week and you don't want to miss out, right? You can also subscribe by clicking on my logo here. So let's start. I cleaned my face and then applied concealer from Napoleon Paradis. It will cover up the dark spots I have. Then used Revlon Photo Ready color correction around my eyes and the places I wanted to highlight. After the color correction, I applied L'Oreal Visible Lift Foundation number 143 and used MAC 190 Swiss brush to blend it. Then used Bobbi Brown and MAC 266 Series brush to draw the thick eyebrow Alia has. I could draw it in more detail and closer to her actual eyebrow, but here I am showing how we can do the makeup in as quick as 15 minutes. So I am just drawing the outline and filling it up. Now I am using MAC 224 Series brush to draw the contour of my nose. Alia's nose is different than mine, so I had to be creative while mimicking. Again, it is a quick makeup tutorial, so I was not doing any detailed work. And if you want me to do so next time, then please comment below and let me know. Alia's eyes are downward, at the edge. So I was drawing some downward lines to mimic the look. For the cheekbone, I used True Blend pressed powder from CoverGirl and blend it with MAC 129 series brush. For the blush, I applied Maybelline Master Glaze. This is perfect for this look. Maybelline Gel Eyeliner has been used to draw the eyes. Alia's eyes are kind of roundish or small, I'd say, so I didn't go crazy while drawing the outline. We don't have to draw super dramatic eyes. The black shade has been used to draw the outline of the corner. Alia's lips are pretty filled. I didn't go for any lip augmentation, just drew the line kind of roundish. Again, not much detail. I had to be quick anyway. Eyelashes are optional. If you wear them, then cut the length shorter. Now I just covered the glue with black powder. In that way I didn't have to wait for the glue to dry. I wore a pink shade from Elizabeth Arden. Then wore my favorite lip gloss from Napoleon Paris. For the shimmering effect, I applied Shimmer Strips Custom Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Okay, this one is optional. I thought the silver shade from L'Oreal True Match Lume would help me to highlight more. So that's it, my makeup is done. Now the fun part, I had to match the similar accessories including saree, I made this saree specially for this look, and I guess it's pretty close. Hope you like this quick tutorial, and please suggest me if you have an idea about what my next video would be like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment below because your opinion is really important for me and I want to be your friend. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm coming every week with my new video. See you next time. Bye.